Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 31 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 勺子 spoon. 刀叉 knives and forks. 筷子 chopsticks. 回答 answer. 留言 leave a message. 评论 comment. Today we are going to learn 耳机网络打印。耳机means earphone. I need to buy an earphone. 我要去买一对耳机。earphone 耳机木字旁几耳机 earphone。网络 网络 means network. Network 网络Okay, change 落绞丝旁个网络 network. The third one for today 打印打印 means print. Print out each file name. 打印出每一个文件名。打印。print 打提手旁。钉印打印 print。耳机 earphone。网络 network。打印 print。 Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.